What if I told you that right now, at this very second, there's a 45-foot blacked-out Prevost rolling down a secret road in Arizona, and hidden inside it is something so illegal in 8 states that Erika Kirk and Chali Kark had to sign NDAs with a builder just to own it. You're about to see the only full tour that will ever exist of the $2.7 million 2025 Erika Kirk luxury motorhome. Because after the day this video disappears forever, one time only, 10 minutes, 0 cuts, and at minute 8 I'm dropping the twist that already got this coach banned from 3 campgrounds and had Prevost corporate sweating bullets. If you're still here after I count down from 3, your mind will never be the same. 3, 2, 1, let's roll. Look at this absolute monster pulling up right now. 45 feet of murdered-out Prevost, H3-45, glossed so deep you can see your broken dreams in the reflection. Erika Kirk steps out first. 6-inch red bottoms, sunglasses bigger than most windshields. Chali Kark follows dripping in rose gold Cartier, smirks, hits one button on her phone, and the entire driver's side of the luxury motorhome explodes outward with 4 hydraulic slide-outs at the same time. The ground literally shakes. This isn't a luxury motorhome anymore. This is a transformer that costs more than Dubai penthouses. Erika Kirk looks straight into the lens and says, "We don't do subtle." Chali Kark laughs and adds, "We do war crimes on wheels." Keep that quote in your head. It's important. Under the hood sits a Cummins X15 tuned to 705 horsepower because 605 was apparently too slow for Chali's morning coffee run. This 46,000-pound luxury motorhome will smoke a 2024 Corvette from 0 to 60 and still have AC blowing at 68 degrees. Erika Kirk has the GoPro proof. Chali Kark has the speeding tickets in 6 states to prove it too. Walk to the back right now. Hit the hidden switch under the taillight. Rear garage drops, hydraulic ramp unfolds, and out rolls a matte black 2025 Brabus G-Wagon already wrapped to match the coach. Erika Kirk and Chali Kark don't just bring a toad, they bring a second personality, disorder on 24-inch Forgiatos. Garage closes. Seamless. Nobody knows the $500,000 wagon is even there. Now step inside and try not to cry. The second the door hisses, open your hit with the smell of new Italian, leather mixed with Tom Ford oud wood and straight cash. Floor-to-ceiling hand-stitched leather walls with real 24-karat gold threading. Ceiling? 40,000 hand-placed Swarovski crystals that shift color with the music. Erika Kirk spent 3 hours picking the exact sparkle pattern. Chali Kark spent 6 figures making sure the crystals don't fall off at 100 miles per hour. They tested it on the Autobahn at 3 a.m. with tequila, center of the living room, real flaming fireplace. Not electric. Real gas flames dancing behind heat-tempered glass. Erika Kirk roasts Japanese A5 Wagyu at 80 miles per hour while watching the flames reflect off her Richard Mille. Chali Kark built a fireproof enclosure herself because fire marshals don't understand art. Kitchen. Stop blinking or you'll miss $300,000 worth of appliances in one breath. Full-height sub-zero column fridge and freezer. Wolf induction. Miele built-in espresso that pulls 9-bar shots smoother than Milan baristas. $18,000 Fisher and Paykel dishwasher drawers. And a quartz island so big Erika Kirk hosts full Thanksgiving dinner for 12 while parked at Coachella VIP. Chali Kark even installed a hidden 48-bottle Eurocave wine fridge that chills champagne to exactly 7.2 degrees Celsius because anything else is disrespect. 85-inch Samsung The Wall 8K TV descends from the ceiling on a silent $40,000 hydraulic lift. Erika Kirk watches Real Housewives in resolution, so sharp you can count the Botox needles. Chali Kark hardwired 4 Starlink high-performance dishes on the roof, 1 gigabit down in the middle of nowhere. Netflix, OnlyFans, stock trading, all at 800 megabits while doing 90 across Nevada. No excuses. Walk toward the back. Mood lighting shifts to blood red because Chali Kark programmed it that way for nighttime vibes. Master bedroom door slides open with retina scanner because keys are for poor people. Inside, floating California king bed on carbon fiber hydraulic platform. 1 button and the entire bed lifts 2 feet, revealing a climate-controlled walk-in closet that holds 400 pairs of heels. 200 handbags, and 3 safes big enough for gold bars. Erika Kirk has the gold bars. Chali Kark has the receipts. Now the bathroom. Close the door because what you're about to see should be illegal. 12mm heated Italian Calicatum marble floors. 14-karat gold fixtures. Full 2-person rainfall shower with 16 body jets and color therapy LEDs. There's a 55-inch TV embedded in the mirror, so Erika Kirk never misses an episode while exfoliating. Chali Kark installed a $22,000 Japanese Toto Nurist NX smart toilet that auto-opens, washes, dries, deodorizes, and plays birdsong when you're done. Yes, it sings. Yes, it costs more than a new Mustang. His and hers vanities with automated Hollywood lighting. Heated towel racks, heated robe hooks, heated everything. Chali Kark's exact words. If it touches skin and it's not warm, we failed. Whole coach runs on Crestron Enterprise System. Erika Kirk says, "Hey Prevost, party mode." And every light turns Miami nightclub purple. TV drops. Fireplace roars. Blinds close. Subwoofers hidden in the floor start hitting 808s. So hard the champagne glasses vibrate. Chali Kark spent $240,000 just on automation and sound alone. You don't control this luxury motorhome. It controls you. Roof deck. Hit the button and a 24-foot Girard awning rolls out silently. Outdoor kitchen with Twin Eagles grill. 2 big green eggs. 75-inch weatherproof TV. Built-in keg tap with dual Perlix. Electric fire pit. Misting system. And an inflatable rooftop hot tub that rises from a hidden compartment and fills in 4 minutes flat. Erika Kirk and Chali Kark take bubbling jacuzzi baths 30 feet above Burning Man, while drones film them from above. Everyone else is in the dust. They're in bubbles and view. Fuel capacity? 240 gallons now, because they upgraded. Erika Kirk and Chali Kark can drive from Los Angeles to Manhattan without stopping once. 1,700 miles of pure domination. Total build cost. $2.73 million cash. No financing. Paid in full the day they took delivery. 26 months start to finish. Every single part custom. But here we go, minute 8. The moment you've been waiting for. Erika Kirk looks dead into camera and whispers, "You ready for the illegal part?" Chali Kark hits a hidden panel under the driver's seat. The entire roof of the luxury motorhome starts rising 24 inches on 4 hydraulic rams. A carbon fiber cage unfolds from the ceiling, and inside is a custom-built $380,000 Freefly Alta X cinematography drone with red Komodo 8K camera, programmed to auto-launch, lock onto the coach at 120 miles per hour, and film cinematic tracking shots for their vlogs completely hands-free. This drone is so powerful it's registered as an experimental aircraft with the FAA. Operating it within 5 miles of an airport is a federal offense in controlled airspace. That's why 8 states already sent cease and desist letters to the coach VIN number. That's why Prevost headquarters called them personally, begging them to remove it. Erika Kirk and Chali Kark just laughed, painted the drone rose gold, and named it F***CK the FAA. That's the twist nobody was supposed to see. And this video disappears in 72 hours. They're already designing version 2, twin-turbo 900 horsepower, full carbon chassis. Maybe a helicopter pad that actually folds out the back. Erika Kirk said 2026 has to be a war crime. Chali Kark is already paying the lawyers. If this $2.73 million FAA-banned, rooftop hot tub having, drone launching, rolling skyscraper just murdered your entire perception of wealth, smash that like button until your finger bleeds. Comment Erika if you're in love. Comment Kalei if you need a minute. Comment drone crime if that twist ended your bloodline. Subscribe right now because this channel is about to get struck for the content we're dropping next. Erika Kirk, Chali Kark, thank you for risking federal prison to let us film the most illegal, most expensive, most insane luxury motorhome ever created. We're never recovering from this. See you on the run, millionaires. Drop the mic.